Andito lang ako para sa iyo palagi at handa akong maging tagapakinig mo sa mga problema mo. At mahal na mahal kita. Happy birthday sa iyo, bebe! I love you!
Thank you so much, Miss Nick. One picture please, tabi ka sa kanya. Kasha yun. Sabay-sabay po natin sisindihan ang ating Nintendo. Okay, girls. 3, 2, and 1. And now for the second candle, everyone, let's put our hands together to Miss Angel Malfoy! Hey!
Happy birthday sa akin, party ng crowd. Kasama ko sa lahat, kadramahan, kasiyahan, at enjoy your special day. I love you. You're so pretty naman tonight. Mag-ingat ka palagi at pagbutihin mo pa yung pag-aaral mo kasi pupunta pa tayo ng ibang bansa. Lang. Thank you dahil di mo kami pinagdadamutan kung anong meron ka. Di-share mo sa amin, hindi mo pinaparamdam sa amin na wala kami na meron ka. The best happy ko for me, proud na proud ako sa mga achievement ko. Sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. I love you, nandito lang ako. Pati si Alex hanggang makinig sa lahat ng mga lance. Thank you, thank you, I love you.
Thank you so much, Miss Angel. One picture, please. One, two, and 3. All right. And now for the third candle, everyone. Palakpakan naman natin, Miss Angelica Austria. One more. Hey. Alright, and your message, please. Ganun ang energy. Okay, your message. Nakalimutan ko na yung mensahe.
Happy birthday, Aki. Ayoko mag-chat GPT. Sana bawasan mo yung pagkakupal mo sa school. Kasi lagi mo tinatago yung gamit ko, tsaka lagi mong binabato yung notebook ko. Tsaka, huwag mo isabit yung bag ko. Yun lang, happy birthday, Aki. Sana, huwag mo akong kalimutan. Yun lang. Happy birthday, I love you.
Alright, one picture, please. Thank you so much, Miss Angelica Austria. And now, for the fourth candle, everyone, let's welcome Miss Hasmin Leno. Alright, Miss Hasmin, your message, please. I have...
Mahal ko una sa lahat. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na ngayon lang nakapunta ng ganito. First time in my life na gabi. Kasi first time ko lang payagan. So, I love you talaga. Hindi ko na alam ang message ko. Baka umiyak ako. Una sa lahat. Wow! LSM? Hindi, maraming salamat sa mga araw na 0 days pero nandun ka. Huwag mo iisipin na parang wala ka sa akin. Siyempre, hindi na tayo lagi nagkakasama. Isipin mo na kahit ganun. Siyempre, mahal na mahal kita. Diba?
Thank you so much, Mrs. Mia. One picture, please. Okay, girls, smile. 3, 2, and 1. Alright. And now for the fifth candle, everyone, let's welcome please.
Happy birthday, Aki. 18th birthday. Sana marami pa tayong memories na magawa at yun nga. Masaya ako para sa'yo. Nandito lang naman kami lahat. Sana marami pang tambayan na magawa. Ready naman ako sa maraming french fries. O kahit ano. Sana maging happy ka lagi and stay positive. Yun lang. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ken. One picture, please. Picture muna, sir. Okay, smile. Sit down. 1, 2, and 3. Again, thank you so much, Mr. Ken. And now for the sixth candle, everyone, let's put our hands together to Miss Cyrene Valentilla. Okay, yung message na. Hindi ko alam yung salamin na sayaw. Ay, hindi siya pang baby kasi. Yung iba daw, nag-request siya. Pwede bang iba na lang? Alright, DJ. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, okay na lang. Ano yung mic natin?
Happy birthday, babe. And sana more memories pa tayo ng dalawa and more bardagulan, te. Kawawa sa'yo lagi. Napakalikot na itong taong to. Lagang binabardago. Araw-araw na iinig. Sana maging healthy ka pa na. And sana maging masaya ka ngayong gabi. And huwag mong isipin na nanggagaya ka ng iba. Isipin mo, mas bongga to. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Irene. One picture, please. One, two, and 3. And now for the seventh candle, everyone, palakpakan naman natin, Miss Jessel Ison. Palakpakan naman natin, ang cute niya, no? Mukha siya Koreana. Palakpakan natin, Miss Jessel. Message, please.
Hello.
Ay.
Happy birthday, Aki. Happy 18th birthday. Kahit super kupal mo sa amin, super thankful din kami sa'yo na naging best friend ka namin. And yun na, sana ma-enjoy mo yung new journey mo and ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Jessel. One smile, please. One, two, and 3. And now for the next candle, everyone, let's put our hands together to Miss Angelica Miranda.
Hello. Happy 18th birthday, Aki. I'm honored to be one of your 18th candle this night. I hope this special day be filled with joy and unforgettable memories as you step into the wonderful world of adulthood. May all of your wishes and dreams come true and always find the courage to pursue.
Thank you so much, Miss Angelica. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, for the next candle, everyone, let's welcome Miss Megan Arbolano. Let's move on to another one. We have here Miss Angel Badillo. we have here Miss Nikki Velasco. Alright, let's put that together for Miss Nikki Velasco. Come on. Shark pala ito si Nikki. Okay, Nikki, your message please.
Happy birthday, Aki. I am so proud of the person you have become and the way you handle life challenges. Happy 18th birthday, Aki.
Thank you so much, Miss Nikki. Sabi ka sa kanya, take a picture. 1, 2, and 3. And now, for the next scandal, let's put our hands together to Jerry Dino. Kumali ko palakad ng palakpakan para kay Mr. Jerry Dino. Come on! Hey, 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 hey. Your message, Jerry.
No. Actually, happy birthday, Aki. Sana magbago ka na. Pero wag mong baguhin yung ugali mo. Pero, ayun nga. Wala ako, kinakabahan ako. Ano ba pwede ko sabihin?
I love you.
Happy birthday! Yun lang. Let's go!
Thank you so much, Mr. Jerry. Oh, picture mo lang, Mr. Jerry. Naguluhan tuloy ako ng people natin sa iyo. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and now for the next scandal, let's welcome Miss Eya Piaka.
Hello? Ang dami niyo ah.
Happy birthday, Aki. Sana... Sana, wag naman yun! Stop. Sana pag college natin, buo pa rin tayo. Tsaka walang samaan ng loob kahit hindi tayo Tissue nga? Naiyak ako.
Ayan, ang dami tissue.
Yun lang. Thank you sa tissue ah. Happy birthday ulit, Aki.
Thank you so much, Eya. One picture, please. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, next one. Let's welcome Miss Alexa Aguma. Come on, girl. Go! Your message, Alexa, anong ginagawa mo? Okay lang, so message please.
First of all, I want to say happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Kay. I don't know where I could start because there's so much to thank for you. But first of all, I want to say thank you for being there when I was my lowest point. Thank you because I have a cousin like you. That's all my rants, you know. You know na yun. Wala nang lapusan na gano'n. Kahit mga
There's, you're so good, son. I ever met that small details for everyone, but for me, that is full of memories. Thank you, because I have ate. Na every time I need her, she always there for me. And thus, I'm sorry because sometimes there's a misunderstanding, which is hindi naman mawawala sa cousins. We're related in blood, but we're not just related in blood lang. Because you're my friend. Because you've been my friend, Karamay and Ate. Thank you to teach me how to be I am right now. Thank you for everything you have done to me. And last is, happy 18th birthday, Ate.
Thank you so much, Miss Alexa. And now for the next scandal. Let's put our hands together to Mia Tarisha May. Okay na yun? Okay. Sige, pagbibigyan natin yan. Okay na. Your message, please.
Hi, Aki. Happy birthday. Ikaw muna. I miss you so much, Aki. Sana makagawa ulit tayo ng bagong memories, tulad ng grade 10. Namiss ko yung kakulitan mo, yung paglalagay mo ng kung ano-ano sa bag, inatali mo yung bag, yung ano natin, pagtambay natin sa CR, pag ayaw mo ng subject. Ano na? Yan lang. Yun lang, happy birthday, Aki.
Thank you so much, Miss Trisha. Ikaw lang ang nagpaiyak kay Aki ngayon, ha? Dahil nilaglag mo siya. Okay, one picture, please. 1, 2, and 3. Again, thank you so much, Miss Trisha May. And now for the next scandal. Let's welcome Miss Micaela Datina. Thank you so much, Micaela. Your message, please.
Happy birthday, Ate CK. Sana po magkaroon ka ng good health and mag-study hard ka po pagdating mo sa college. Yun lang. Happy 18th birthday ulit.
Thank you so much, Micaela. 1, 2, and 3. Paano nga ulit yung kaldag? Paano yung kaldag? Hey! Palakpakan nyo naman si Micaela, please. And now, for the 17th candle, let's welcome Miss Alexandra Soriano. Okay, your message, please.
Hello. Hi, Kay. Ayun, happiest birthday, ayun, I'm so thankful na kasi nakilala kita. And sa journey mo, I hope na lagi mong isama si God sa magiging journey mo, lalo na ngayon, ayun, na legal age ka na, and I hope kung ano man mga plan mo sa future, lagi mong i-center si God sa journey mo. And ayun, I'm always here for you. And ayun, minsan ko lang sabihin to, so super love kita. I love you. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, Miss Alexandra Soriano. And now for the next scandal, we have here Miss Megan Arbolado. Thank you so much. Your message, please.
Happy birthday, CK. Baby ko. 18 ka na. So, almost 5 years na tayo mag-friendship. Sana. Kasi hindi mo ako pinapuntahan sa bahay. Ayun. Wala na akong sasabihin. Nandito pa rin ako. I know Miss Rafael, di ba? Lahat ng problema, wala mo sa akin. Pero ito ako ngayon, tumatayo sa'yo bilang ate mo pa rin. Kahit pa paano, may pupuntahan ko pa rin. May manakit man sa'yo, nandito si ate para sa'yo. Ha? Tandaan mo, huwag kang maging tanga. Okay? Tandaan mo yan. I love you!
Thank you so much, Megan. 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. And now for the second to the last scandal, we have here Miss Donna Garcia. One more time. Hey. Okay, thanks for Miss Donna. Your message, please.
Happy 18th birthday, CK. As you step into exciting chapter of adulthood, may your journey be filled with new experiences and endless opportunities. Ayun, mahal na mahal kita, te. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Picture, please. One, two, and 3. Thank you so much. And now, to complete the 18 candles, everyone, let's put our hands together. To the sister of our debutant, Miss Jamie Sanave. One more. 1, 2, 3, Thank you so much, JD. Your message, please. JD, okay na bang tumabi ka na sa kanya? O bukas pa rin?
Ayoko nga. Hindi, ito lang. Di ba sabi mo long, pero short to? Promise. Hindi, gusto ko lang talaga sabihin sa'yo na happy 18th birthday. Ganun mo talaga ngayon. Ngayon lang. Kusuming. Enjoy mo lang yung journey mo ngayon. Ayaw mo. Gusto ko lang sabihin talaga sa'yo na mag-aaral ka palagi. Hindi ka nag-aaral eh. Pero, totoo yun. Dito lang ako palagi. Thank you for... Thank you kasi may ate akong katulad mo. Love, spoiled. Sama sa gala. Sana all.
Ano number mo? Yung 0970. Alin ba yung
Pero,
sandali. Yung pinantawag mo sa akin kanina.
yun lang, happy 18th birthday. Bakit na naman, Mi?
Wala kayo sa kwarto, bilisan nyo na mag-message.
Yun lang, happy
pinatawag mo?
birthday. I love you so
Pinatawag
much.
mo.
Mahal kita.
Thank you so much, JD. One picture, please, JD. Upo ka muna.